Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a grand experiment. I've found a way to couple those articulated cars to a Commodore Vanderbilt. Now, the early Commodore Vanderbilts have an extra hole on the rear of the plate where the original coupler would go for articulated cars. So I just ran a screw up from the bottom through the coupler on the car, through the hole in the locomotive, and it gives you an instant way to couple a standard Commodore Vanderbilt to articulated cars, as you see. This works perfectly. So forward and reverse. Anyway, a really simple way to be able to couple these articulated cars to a Commodore or a Mercury. Of course, if you drill a hole in the rear plate of virtually any locomotive, you can couple it to anything. Anyway, this works. There's no doubt about that. It's simple. It only takes a minute to put on, take off. So a Commodore Vanderbilt with 3 articulated cars, originally for the 10,005. And I've got the 10,005 with a tab and slot adapter on the rear. As you see, goes in place of the car, uses the original coupler, and allows me to run it as a locomotive, as you see. So anyway, just looking for a way to run these articulated cars with a different locomotive. As you see, this works. It's really simple. It literally took a minute to install that in there. It's literally just a small screw that actually fits through the hole in the coupler on the front of the car and goes up through the hole in the locomotive, and I put a nut on it with a washer under it. Anyway, it works, no doubt about that. As you see, so it allows you to run articulated cars with a Commodore Vanderbilt, or virtually anything else if you can add that additional hole. The only drawback to this, of course, is it's like running it with no load at all. These things weigh nothing, and they're just empty, hollow stampings with 2 wheels on it, so they weigh nothing. So it's really difficult to regulate the speed because it's just like you're running the locomotive with no load on it. Anyway, it works. It's simple. It looks nice. It fits the contour of the locomotive, as you see. So anyway, just a really quick adapter that allows you to run these articulated cars with a standard locomotive. So I just wanted to do a quick video on it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.